you doing? In this video, we're going to be changing the LEDs from these little consoles right here. Some of them are blown out, and I noticed that driving in the nighttime that some of them are light up and some of them don't. I already got this one changed when I took it out my my shifter in the previous video, if you've seen that. What we're going to do right now is dismantle this part. I think you guys already seen me dismantle this part from the last video. I took apart this whole thing, brought it to the dealership, made them put in a whole new shifter and then put it back together. But I forgot to take out this stuff and do it while I was doing it because I had so much stuff I was doing and I was so cramped, so I didn't have enough time. But whatever, I'm gonna do it right now. So what I have to do again is I have to take off all these plastic pieces right here, all the trims, get behind this, and then switch out the LEDs. So when I'm in the process of it, I'll show you and I'll get back to it. Alright guys, this turned into a hot mess real quick. I had to dismantle everything to get this. This piece is not like the 04 to 06 that have the different Navi screen, or I think just different models have different Navi screens or different screens. But the next screen dismantles this whole bottom part, so I could take this screen apart. But with my model, I have to take this whole piece apart. So what I had to do was dismantle everything just to get this stuff out. So I'm gonna take it out right now and I'll show you guys how it's gonna look. So I just took one of these bulbs out. As you can see, this is the bulb right here. I got all the bulbs from the dealership, and going to send it and put it in right there. Alright, so I have them numbered out already. As for 8, as you can see there, is for the top ones that I'm doing first. Those are number 8. Number 5 is going to be for the bottom ones. That's going to be for my off button, my dual button. It's going to be on the side right there. And then my next AC blue button, or these two, would be number 6. So I'm going to put those in right now and then I'll show you. I got the top 2 working. I'm about to get these 2 working and those 2 working, and then I'll be done. Just give me a second. Alright, it's pretty dark out here now. It took me a while to get this stuff done. I finally finished it and it is looking bright and nice. As well as I did that right there. So everything shines up in my car. And I'm happy. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think. It looked very shitty before. It didn't even look shitty before, but it just didn't satisfy me to the most, so this satisfies me. One fucking mistake though. You see how this one is on, this one is off? Why? When I put everything back together, I'm done. One thing has to freaking be out of place. So this is out of place. There's no light on this. I'm gonna have to figure that out in a couple of days, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to take off this whole assembly just to get to that light again, and it was not fun to get through that light. I'm telling you, taking all this stuff apart, it's all right, but it's not the thing I want to do all the time. But right now I finished it up and it's looking amazing. It came out really well. They're very bright. I'm about to get out of here, and thanks for watching. I appreciate the views. I appreciate the subscribers, the likes, the comments. You guys keep it up. I'm on my road to 100 subscribers, and with you guys, it's possible. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Alright, we're back at it again. If you guys can see, I had to replace and take out this whole thing because right there, my one problem, my light stopped working, so I had to just this one light. And as you notice, as all these lights are snug and in place, even on this side, they're snug and in place. But just this one, it popped out because I didn't put it in properly. So you see it's moving around. It jumped out of the socket. Quick fix, but the thing is, I put everything together and it was working nice for about 2 days, and then all of a sudden I noticed that the light just stopped working, and it bugged me. So I took it apart like 2 days later, and here I am. So let me just put this back together and I'll show you guys. Alright, as you see, it's back in there, and it's put back into the socket and back into place. The rest of them are back into place. So are these ones, and the light's working. So I'm going to put it back into place and put it all back together. I'll show you when it's done. Alright, as you guys can see, I got all the lights working again. It was just this one that was giving me a little trouble, but I got it snug back into place. Alright guys, so look, as I turn on my lights, it's mine. I got it back to normal. I'm just trying to put together back all these parts, because as you can see, you have to take apart all the stuff just to get to the radio. So I'm just putting this all back together, and I'll show you guys when it's done. And we're complete. I put everything back together. But right now I finished it up and it's looking amazing. It came out really well. They're very bright. Everything's looking clean. I'm about to head out, so I'll see you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications.